Are you wanting to take your Facebook ads to the next level? I'm going to be going over how you can develop an omnipresent Facebook marketing campaign that's going to create more sales for you and build massive brand awareness. Have you ever felt like you just see certain brands absolutely everywhere on every single platform and that they just seem to be continuously following you no matter where you go? That you're seeing them online and then you go to Walmart and it just sticks out to you like, oh darn, I saw that earlier. Maybe I should actually end up buying it. That is exactly what an omnipresent Facebook marketing campaign can do no matter what industry you're in. If you're in e-com, retail, or my business in real estate, you want to develop that omnipresent brand awareness where people keep you at top of mind. And so when they actually are falling down the sales funnel, when they're looking to convert, that they see your marketing, your advertising that leads to you getting the sale instead of your competition. So I'm going to be breaking down exactly how you can develop this for your own brand on a small budget. I know a lot of people think that you got to be like Coca-Cola or Amazon and all these people that have massive ad budgets in order for them to create this omnipresent campaign. But honestly, me and my team do it for less than $20 a day, and it leads to having us have massive success where people see us everywhere. Step number one is you really need to understand your actual sales funnel on Facebook and how you need to develop it. So I give classic examples in my industry in real estate. If we got our funnel here where you got your cold leads that come in, then they get warm, and then they get extra warm, and then they're hot, and then they get extra hot, and then they finally convert to a sale. Well, that's because you need to develop a strategy that actually brings people in and then takes them down the path. I call it being on the straight line path in order to get a sale. So an example on how we create our sales funnel in the real estate industry is I would potentially do a, say, real ad that would create some general information. So it could be 5 reasons why you should move to Kelowna, British Columbia, and I might end up getting 1,000 target audience. The next one could be either a reel or still image where I say these are the 3 best family neighborhoods to live in Kelowna. So I'm bringing people down the sales funnel, bringing them closer, where then when they get down, I would have a still image ad that would be all the current homes for sale in the number 1 family neighborhood in Kelowna, Lower Mission, where you can see all the newest listings to see if there's something that's going to work for your family. And so I've got them in from 1,000 people in general. I might get 200 people in the warm, and then I actually get 20 people that click down to here, and then I convert 2 people. In the nature of my business, every $1,000 we put into Facebook ads means $10,000. If I'm converting 2 people from this omnipresent Facebook campaign, it leads to massive success for my real estate business. So the next part, now that we understand our sales funnel, is don't just tell, show. Demonstrate. So leaning back to my example is when I could tell people why these are top 3 reasons you should move to Kelowna, or I could show them my experience where in the reel I'm showcasing me and my girlfriend going for a walk around the lake, that I'm going to be able to golf in when normally it was wintertime back where I'm from. All the beautiful wineries and restaurants that we're able to go eat at, I show them all into my content and bring them down each step of the way. Don't just be telling people, actually show them and make it visually appealing to create that omnipresent campaign. Then the next thing you want to do is make sure you have all your retargeting stuff set up correctly in the audiences you're building on your Facebook ads, where you're able to actually specifically retarget everyone that engaged with your certain content. So the 1,000 people that engaged with my general content, I then only retarget to my more specific, and more specific gets down the line. And this is how you can leverage Facebook's learning models and all the tracking and data that it has in order to actually make your business more profitable. And so that's what I mean on creating that omnipresent campaign, is you're able to retarget all the people that have already interacted in your ad. So they're seeing you in a different ad, in a different element, being more specific to what you're trying to sell to them, that eventually leads them down to the sales cycle where they convert. So if you're someone that's in the real estate game and you're a real estate agent and you want to create an omnipresent Facebook marketing campaign but don't know where to get started, or you're already running Facebook ads and you're not converting the people, you're pretty much lighting that money on fire, and you'd like my team to take over your campaign and show you all the systems and what we do to have success on it, well then go in the description, fill out that form, and if you end up being a right fit for someone that we'd like to partner with on doing their marketing, we'll reach out to you.